Was that an awesome video or what? So, in this video, I'm going to be talking about why The Mandalorian is so successful, and I'll be diving into the story plot arc in this video, specifically the climax. And if you need to know what the story plot arc is, I'll have the playlist right here in the corners. Just give it a click whenever you'd like. So let's jump into the video. Climax is where the best scenes are shot, and pretty much where the protagonist must get his goal. So in The Mandalorian, Dar must escape Moff Gideon. Here we have the most epic battle scene for Season 1, of course, as you previously watched in the clip before the video started. So Moff Gideon wants to take the child from them, and is willing to destroy the whole village and kill anyone in his way. Dar and his friends must fight their way through the obstacles until they think they've escaped. But they are really surrounded, so IG-11 must make the ultimate sacrifice. But wait, that's not all. If you're getting great information from this, please like and subscribe to this channel and this video so I can continue giving you tips and tricks to writing a successful story. So let's jump back into the video, guys. Moff Gideon shows back up in the TIE Fighter ready to destroy them. So we get an epic last battle where Dar finally gets to use his new jetpack and flies up to the TIE Fighter and then destroys it. And that is all the climax of Season 1. So in the next video, I'll sum up what the story plot arc is of Season 1, and then I'll be jumping into Season 2, now that it has finally ended. And in Season 2, man, they teased all the Star Wars fans, whether you watch the Clone Wars, whether you watch Rebels, hopefully you watched it all so you can understand what's going on with The Mandalorian Season 2. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to go over any of the videos you missed, I have a playlist right here for the story plot arc for The Mandalorian. And on the other side, I have what a story plot arc is, so you can get a general rundown if you don't know already what it is. And it gives you a little bit of examples and some homework at the end so you can keep up with us and start making your own stories. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in my next videos.